In this video, we're going to have a look at cpanel and explore some of the basic functions of cpanel. cpanel is a web host control panel that allows you to configure, edit, and monitor key aspects of your web hosting account. Without a cpanel, you would need to do things manually, and for most of us, we just do not have enough technical knowledge to do it. So whenever you're looking for a web hosting company, make sure that the web host provides you with cpanel access so that you can log in and do all the necessary changes by yourself. Now, there are many different appearances for the cpanel. One of the most common is the one that looks like this, but you may also have a newer cpanel skin or theme that can look something like this. But no matter what your cpanel looks like, all the basic functions are the same. So let's explore some of the basic functions in a cpanel web hosting account. The first thing you need to know is how to set up email addresses, and you can do this simply by clicking on the mail icon and then click on Add, Remove, Manage Accounts. You can simply add a new account by giving it a name and putting in a password and selecting the amount of space that this email account should take in your web hosting server. Once you click on Create, this email account would be live and anyone would be able to send you an email at the email address that you just created. Unlike using a free email address like Gmail or Yahoo, this email address actually belongs to your own domain name, so it looks much more professional. Another function that you probably use all the time is your web statistics. cpanel provides you with a couple of web statistic programs, but the best is a program called ORStats. This is how the ORStats statistics program looks like. ORStats program, which is actually a really complete statistics program, you can get almost any information you want about your web hosting account, including the total number of visitors to your website, the number of visits per day, the countries from which your visitors are coming from, the type of search engine robots or spiders that have visited your site, the most popular pages on your site, and most importantly, your actual traffic sources. These traffic sources show you if your visitors are coming from a search engine like Google or Yahoo, from a social bookmarking service like StumbleUpon, or any other source of traffic to your website. Lastly, it also shows you the top keywords that have been typed into the search engine by other people to find your website. If you're planning to install WordPress or other complicated PHP scripts on your site, you can click on Fantastico Deluxe, and you'll be able to see on your left a list of all the free PHP scripts available to you. To install these scripts is to click individual links and follow the instructions to install the scripts to your website. And lastly, on the left hand column of your cpanel is where you can find the important information about your hosting account itself. You'll be able to see the actual IP address of your hosting account, the amount of subdomains, spark domains, and add-on domains that you have, the total number of disk space that you have used to date, and the total bandwidth that you have used up this month, as well as other key data for your web hosting account. Now, the best way to explore your cpanel account is to simply log in and start clicking through the icons to see what they do. You may not understand everything now, but eventually you will be needing to use some of these features to build your websites.